Hello students, today we are going to do some more questions of the chapter 1. The first question is, what is the difference between evaporation and boiling? Most of the students get confused between these two terms, but we have to clear it. Evaporation means changing a liquid into gas. Also boiling means changing a liquid into gas or vapor, right? Evaporation, it is the process of changing liquid into gas below its boiling point. Below its boiling point. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. But evaporation, you know, evaporation coming out of steam from the water on heating. It can also occur at 60 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree, 50 degrees Celsius, any temperature. The vapors will come out from the liquid on heating, right? So at these temperatures, these vapors, this process is known as evaporation below its boiling point, not high from its boiling point, right? What is boiling? It is the process of changing liquid into gas at its boiling point. When it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, then also evaporation will also take place. At 100 degrees Celsius of water, yeah, that means at boiling point of water, evaporation will also take place. At that time, you have to say the word boiling instead of evaporation. At 100 degree, water boils, you will say. But at 60, 30, 80 degree, below 100 degree, we will say evaporation of water will take place. So this is the main point in both of them. It will take place at its boiling point and it will take place below its boiling point. In the both the case, vapors are produced, right? Now, the second thing is, it take place at the various temperature, right? It take place at the various temperature. It take place at the fixed temperature, 100 degrees Celsius, fixed temperature at its boiling point, right? Next, it is a surface phenomena. Phenomena means any happening. कोई भी incidence. Incidence is known as phenomena, surface. What is happen? Beta, if I take a beaker and there are water, then this is the first layer of water, the top layer. Then there will be the second layer, third layer, fourth layer. And when I am going to heat it, then when the temperature will reach at 30 degree or 40 degree or 50 degree, when the temperature will reach about this temperature, first the molecules of the top layer will become liquid to the gas, vapor, first layer. When all the first layer molecules will change into the vapor, then second layer will change, then third layer of the liquid will change into vapor. So it is a layer wise, surface wise. First top surface, then second surface, then third surface, right? So I will say evaporation is a surface phenomena. But instead of this, boiling is a bulk phenomena. Bulk means whole of the material is known as bulk. Full material is known as bulk. It is the whole of the material. In boiling, the evaporation will take place not only from the surface, it will take place from the second layer, third layer, even from the below. So you can see sometimes bubbles come out from the below, right? In boiling, bubbles come out from the below. In boiling, the particles of the water changes into vapor all over the bulk, all over the water. From every layer, the water changes into vapor. In which case? In boiling, right? This is called boiling. So this is one of the difference. Now I have given some more questions. These you have already done. I hope you can learn when you are going to study it, right? These are some of the questions I am giving you. You can easily learn. You can see this chart. It is very easy. Solid on heat, it becomes liquid. Liquid on heat, it becomes gas. Gas on cooling, it becomes liquid. Liquid on cooling, it becomes solid. These are some of the general questions you have already studied in your class. Some 3 more definition I am going to give you: condensation, solidification, and sublimation. I hope you can study these questions also and you can understand it very easily. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time through WhatsApp or by direct calling to me. Thank you. Do these questions in your notebook, right?